I took 10 of the top carpet sweepers and put them through a gauntlet. And I did this one. So this is the Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo, and this is cordless rechargeable, and I love that. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. So this will take 16 hours to charge, but it will work for a full 60 minutes. Let me tell you, this thing was amazing. It was pretty easy to put together. I expected it to be a lot worse, but it really wasn't. It was pretty self-explanatory, with stickers and things like that. So if you're wondering how difficult it will be to assemble, it really wasn't. How long does it actually last? And, for me, hey, that was something I wanted to know because it's rechargeable. And so sometimes they don't exactly last very long. Well, I would say that this will last you at least a good couple of years. That's my belief. I haven't had it that long, so I can't tell you. But this is what I do know. I know that the sweeper itself is going to outlast the battery. That's just the fact of these products. This specific type of battery, they're going to last anywhere from 7 to 24 months. That's how they all work. And any product that that is out there, they're probably not going to tell you that, but that's why I will. So no, I have no idea how long it's going to last, but I know on average, the battery, this type of battery, will last anywhere from 7 to 24 months. So what does turbo exactly mean? Well, it doesn't suction. That you're not getting. What the turbo is it's going to rotate the brush, and that's where the turbo comes in. So again, it's not going to use a suction to pull up with air. It's just spinning the brush. Now, I can tell you, it works as though it has suction. So here's what I did. Because I told you I did a gauntlet. So I have coffee grounds and rice, and I put them right next to each other. And when I went over it, it picked it right up, and that was on the hardwood. So it was glorious. I loved it. In fact, it went by very, very quickly. Now, I wanted to test it on Cheerios and see if it was going to work on Cheerios. So I put Cheerios on the hardwood and whoop, up it went. Beautiful. Love that for us. Now that I tested on hardwood, I wanted to go and test rice on carpet to see how well that worked. And you know what? It picked it right up. It did a great job. So, okay. So now we know it's going to work on small particles, and it's going to work on things like Cheerios. Now, how well did this do on pet hair? Well, it actually did very well again, but there is something to know. So I have 3 cats, and so how quiet is it? It's going to tie in with the pet hair, right? The cats were afraid of it. It wasn't super noisy like a vacuum cleaner, but it had a noise, and the cats didn't exactly like that. But it did amazing at picking up their hair. Now, this guy is only 4 pounds, but he has the spinning power of Hercules. I thought this was amazing for how light it was, and it was relatively quiet for being rechargeable like that. Now, how do we empty it out? So this is different than the others because this actually has like a basin that's built right in. So what you do is you actually just take that right out, dump it, and then put it right back in. And the brushes themselves, so there's like this red brush, and really it has that kind of a brush so that the hair doesn't get wrapped around it. Really beautiful, probably the easiest to empty out of all of the ones I tested. Overall, do I think it's worth it? Well, we've talked about the battery life. I think that this has the value that is no. So, is it worth it? Well, here's my thoughts. I think that for the price, I think you're getting the value. Yes, because of the battery, it very well may last up to 24 months. The good thing is there is a warranty there that will last you up to a year. And it's something that you just know going into it, and that's all of your products, that if there's a rechargeable battery, you know that it's not going to last a lifetime. You just realize that. But I think what it has that makes it valuable is the rollers. Amazing. I love the fact that it is rechargeable, that it has that power to really pick up things. It can work on hardwood. A lot of these other ones cannot. So if that is something you're looking for, I highly recommend picking this one up.